Hey everyone, and welcome to a crash course in mathematics where today's lesson will be going about the angle between two lines. So to start off, I'm just going to show you guys the formula. So to determine the angle, the symbol will be alpha, and to calculate this, you're going to do arctan in the square brackets. You'll need to know the slope of two lines, m2 minus m1, divided by 1 plus the slope of m2 times m1. So here in the figure I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to have a coordinate system in the first quadrant showing you guys one line of m1 and the second line with the slope m2, and the angle between this will be alpha. Now it's always going to be positive just because we're kind of talking with the relationship between the angle between these two lines, so we'll technically never have a negative value. And the best way to show you guys how these formula can be used is by just showing you guys an example. So we're going to try to find the angle between the lines y equals minus 7x plus 12 and the line y equals 3x. So with this being formatted in the standard form of an equation, which is y equals mx plus b, we are automatically given the slopes m1 and m2. Now we just need to assign which one is which. So I'm going to say slope 1 is going to be negative 7 and slope 2 is the value of 3. Now, since we know what the slopes are, we can simply plug these values into the alpha formula I introduced earlier on and calculate what this angle should be. So we do alpha equals arctan, and in square brackets 3 minus negative 7 divided by 1 plus 3 times negative 7. Now we can further simplify this by doing arctan, and then the numerator in this formula will be 3 plus 7, since minus and negative cancel out, and the denominator being negative 21, negative 20. Further simplifying this to be arctan minus negative 0.5, and in radians this will be 0.46 radians, which can convert to 26 degrees. Initially the negative can just back away because we're not going to be worrying about negative or positive. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick crash course on determining the angle between two lines. Make sure to like and subscribe for more mathematics lessons.